Hello, my name is Emil. You're watching my bar, and today we're going to look at a fairly interesting project. This is a point cloud in an Octomap that is then being rendered with some cubes. And the reason I'm you can see the skip scale there. If I scroll, it changes, and T will toggle it between 1 and 1,000. I haven't implemented instancing in our game engine, and that might be our next objective because if I want to rotate the camera, it's super choppy. Because rendering like 28,000, what is it, 28,000 uh, squares is a bit taxing. So I need to implement instancing, and then I can render a lot more than that. Millions, in fact, hopefully. Yeah. But yeah, this is quite interesting. This is for my point cloud. This point cloud was made using Rgb Slam, which is some other programming stuff with cameras and gyroscopes and kind of deducing the camera's orientation and movement from pictures, which is quite interesting. But yeah, very fun and interesting project, and that's a video for another day. But this viewer, I thought I might test our game engine by giving this viewer a go, and this is the Octomap rendering a lower resolution version of the pixel map, which kind of turns it into a voxel-like structure, which is quite interesting. And for example, you can see the two screens on the desk over there. I'll quickly, I think I have this data set on this hard drive. Let me quickly find it for you guys and open it up. It should be somewhere in here. Yeah, I think it's this data set. Yeah, here it is. If I drop this in there and a later data set, yeah, here you go. So as you can see, it's this desk. Oh no, this is not the right data set. The dude's not there. But yeah, it's the same desk, but that's what you're seeing over there. A very interesting the Rgb Slam part. In this case, I'm just taking this PLY file with a bunch of points, like a point cloud file, and I'm parsing that out, and then which is what you see over here. I'm parsing the file out and then loading it up, all the points. Then we load it into an octo tree. We take the octo tree and we probe it from the min-max to get the voxel grid, and we average out all the colors in the area, and then we just add the new higher resolution point, and then that's done. It's very time consuming to do this, and that's why it's multi-threaded. Yeah, and then over here I wrote a program that saves the voxels out into a Minecraft world. But that's not working very well. Maybe I'll come back to it one day. And the idea was to then open up that voxel grid in Minecraft. And then yeah, so that just saves and loads the buffered state, so you don't have to redo the multiple scrolls to scale. We simply put, just kind of go through every point and draw a cube and set the color in the MVP. Nice and easy. And then that loads up. And then the shader is also real simple. It's the basic one. Yeah, it just sets the color and the position. So a very fun project to look at. I really do want to try and implement instancing next time because that's the only part of this that is very slow and not very good. And yeah, so that's the code that goes into that. And let's quickly see how long it takes for this point cloud to kind of generate. So if I hit P, it starts. And so loading the file takes quite a while because there's I think 280,000 points in the point cloud file. Once that's done loading, there we go, it's done. Then it loaded 23. It simplified that into 23,000 points, and that's kind of what you see over here. If I kind of do this, there we go. You can see the dude sitting at the desk and the screens and the books and stuff on the table. Yeah, very fun and interesting project. It looks very funky from this perspective, that's for sure. Very strange. It plays with your mind. to be honest. Another interesting thing is the guy that's sitting over here, right? If you look like this, he's sitting over there. The lidar data from the camera, the depth information, can't get past his face. So there's like a void there where the camera couldn't determine what's going on. Quite interesting. Um, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please do leave a like and subscribe if you do want to see more content like this. In the next gaming episode, we'll probably look at implementing instancing, so that's quite interesting and fun. For now, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.